Throughout my years on YouTube, I have tested many less lethal launchers to determine their effectiveness as less lethal options. Some weaker and some more lethal than less. Today, we're testing the latter with the Byrna Mission 4, which just might be the most powerful, less lethal rifle in existence. But how much force can it exert on a person? And at what range does it truly excel? To help me with this, I'm once again joined by my good friend Scott from Kentucky Ballistics. Launcher.
So this is the Byrna Mission 4, just like you just said. The big difference with this one is it has 2 mags, and then it actually functions a lot like an AR-15.
Okay.
So you have a mag release, and you actually have a charging handle back here, which I think is kind of cool. You've got a rail for an optic and all that good stuff. The only downside, which is a plus and a minus, you have a much bigger CO2 cartridge. The downside is you don't really have a true stock, you know.
It kind of pushes through.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna be more stout than your other options. It's swinging those little things pretty hard.
So I saw the video where you tested the ballistics gel on.
Yes.
If you guys haven't seen it, you can go to Scott's channel and check it out, but you got it stuck inside of the ballistics gel.
Yeah, normally I have to get pretty close for it to stick inside one of those dummies. But I was like 15 yards back and it's stuck into its belly.
So what I'm thinking first, we're gonna do a long range shot to me with jeans on. I also have shorts underneath this. So there's a little padding. We'll take it to the side of the leg. See what that does. I think it's gonna be a good gauge to what we can do moving forward.
Yeah.
If I bleed from that, it's gonna be that.
I don't think you'll bleed from that.
I don't think so.
It's definitely gonna sting.
Probably gonna bruise.
Yes.
I hope so.
3, 2, 1.
Good Lord. Okay, that was a good one.
Sting pretty good?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Well, that was dead center.
Good Lord, Scott. Right up.
That was good. That was good. Oh.
That's just how I remember it,
Dang,
too.
that was pretty good, man. I got you like right in between the abs. Oh, golly, that definitely hitting harder.
I'm ready when you are.
All right.
Ah! God, that was so much worse, Scott. I don't know why I yelled at you like that.
I'm really sorry.
Yeah, you asked for it. I'm still yelling at you.
I'm not that sorry about it. He's got jeans on, he's okay. That definitely had quite a sound to it.
Oh, the impact on my leg even. So this was through, I guess, almost 3 layers because I have compression shorts on as well. Never film one of these videos without a cup, okay?
Wow. That's
first,
that's new? Oh,
first,
that's first,
second.
Dang.
And that is pulsating.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
That is about as close as you can to get to bleeding. It has a blood blister.
Yep.
There's a blood blister from that.
I can't believe it's hitting that hard.
I'm surprised with how many layers that was going through.
Yeah.
And
That's pretty brutal.
Feels really blunt. Same range. Let's do it on a bare skin leg.
Okay.
See what we get.
Okay, here we go, Houston. 3, 2, 1. I nick you.
Yeah, we'll do one more. We'll do one more. Ah!
I took it off.
You scalped me. Jeez.
I thought that's worse than a direct hit.
It peels the skin right on off as it shoots by. That hurts really bad, but I know the next one's gonna be worse when we hit a dead center.
Yeah.
At least with those glancing ones, the momentum is skimming past it, so I'm not taking the full shot.
You're gonna take all the energy now.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, Houston. 3, 2, 1. You didn't even make a sound on that one.
That's my secret, Scott. When I don't make a sound, it means it really hurts.
Oh, that's bad. Dude. I'm sorry.
Look at it. Look at this thing. I don't know if you can see. We'll get a closer up later, but
Dude.
I got like a small mountain forming on my leg.
No, that is the worst. That's the worst I've ever seen here. That's awful. That almost looks like a real gunshot.
Yes.
Oh, man. Dude, that's bad.
I tell you what, you get hit sometimes with these things and you're just like, there's no thoughts in there. It's just gone. You don't even got the option to scream. I'm just like, yeah.
Oh, I haven't laughed that hard in a while.
Well, I think it's safe to say I broke a blood vessel or two. Where do we go from here?
I don't know. At this point, if he's us walking in, I'm iffy.
Let's try this. I'm gonna do a backed shirt. We'll bring it back to where you were. If I don't react on this one, everyone has to like the video, and I'm cementing this deal with Scott. Why did I pick the hardest shot for this?
Because you like a challenge.
Yep, that's it.
Man's man.
Thank you. That's what I am.
Houston, here we go.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1. I'm not even really sure exactly where that hit on you because I think it hit.
You're not sure?
No.
Because I'm sure.
I'm sure you are sure. Oh.
Yeah, probably pretty visible, right?
Just slightly.
You know, this is the points where I'm like, I wish I could see it.
I don't know if you want to see it.
Oh.
It's bad, but it's not compared to
the leg.
No, but it's already starting to
mound?
swell and mound. Yeah, like you've got a nice little point.
Okay, did it
Come out
break
of your back.
skin?
Yes.
Because the shirt
just
was
slightly broken.
Something to be said about that range and a thinner clothing. We saw how bad it was on my leg when we were closer. I want to go closer. We'll do my unscathed leg. I want a fresh target, so we have no chance of hitting the same spot.
And closer. Do you want a new canister?
Let's do new canister. You asked, so I said yes.
I don't know if I'm prepared to laugh this much.
Well, if we can make a better mountain, I'd be happy. Like, I want some peaks, you know? So I want to bring it in a little bit closer. I think it's going to be our peak of what we can do with this.
Okay.
Just to give everyone a illustration of what happens at fairly close ranges.
Sounds good. I'll go change out the canister.
You gotta stop saying yes to Scott.
I never say no to Scott.
All right. Here we go, Houston. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I think you need one more.
My heart dropped, Scott.
I wouldn't dare.
Oh.
I would not do that to you.
Oh.
Yeah, that's pretty bad. But it's not as mounded up as that other
No.
one. I don't know what happened with the other one.
I will say there's one thing I've learned about beating my body up in every inch of it. There's variables to where you get hit.
Right.
And even left and right leg is not the same.
Right.
So I can get hit in my left calf with something, and then my right calf, and left calf's gonna bruise worse.
Gotcha.
Blood vessels and whatnot are
All different.
yeah.
Gotcha. But that's pretty bad.
I don't like it.
No.
I don't like it. Why do I want to say this?
Uh-oh.
I think we can go closer. One more. Give me 3 more feet.
Okay.
That, 3 feet's a lot.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go, Houston. 3, 2.
Actually, I think it helped me. Oh, that was pretty bad. That was pretty bad, Scott.
It's already. I think your left leg may be like your right leg at this. Oh no. Oh, that's
Lower down. Lower down makes the mound. You shot me in the leg.
right.
Right there.
Shot number 1.
Shot 2, right to the stomach. And that's a good one.
That was a good one. Yep. That was a
Solid
good
mark
hit.
there. We did a shot 3, which was closer, I believe.
Right. Yep.
Didn't bleed, but got a blood blister there.
Then we went to the back. Right.
I believe so. So we went to back, and I can't see it, so can you describe?
Yeah. The skin is slightly broken, and it is pretty whelped and bruised. Very deep purple in the middle.
Okay. And that was thinner material than what we're doing on the leg, so
Right.
it kind of makes sense. And we were at the farther range still at
Yes.
that point. The bad ones.
Let's not forget where you got skint.
Oh.
Oh gosh, that's worse.
Yeah, okay.
That's worse than
Yeah.
the other ones. Look.
Oh my
golly.
God! Oh my, what? Okay, well, glancing blow, looks ugly.
It delivered more of the energy all to your skin rather than into
Yeah.
your muscles, so you got a bigger bruise.
There's something to be said about this. Blunt impacts tend to bruise less than like something that would
Like a
sting.
graze?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's definitely
And I think
testament
that
to
proves
that.
the point, yeah. We had a direct impact here, which created this giant mound, probably the biggest mound I have on me. Then we started trying to get as close as we were comfortable with, and those are good ones that bugs are eating.
Yep. That one there, that's pretty bad. Yeah, the bugs are eating it, man.
2 days after the experiment, I had open wounds and an extreme amount of bruising on both of my legs, stomach, and back from the various shots I took at different ranges.